We are pleased to show you the 2013 C-Max Energi. The C-Max Energi is a hatchback with seating capacity of 5. Its powerful engine and stylish interior make it a great option for those looking for a functional and efficient vehicle, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, stability control, power steering, cruise control, trip odometer, compass, fog lights, power windows, child safety locks. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.